Long before maps gave it boundaries, this emerald frontier earned a poetic name from its first navigators, Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud. This is the Maori name for New Zealand. To stand here is to feel ancient history breathing through the mist, where dramatic peaks pierce the sky and untamed wilderness stretches as far as the eye can see. Let's understand this landscape of extremes. This isolated South Pacific archipelago is a geological masterpiece born of fire and ice. Towering alpine ranges give way to ancient glaciers carving their way to the coast, while geothermal valleys vent the Earth's fiery heartbeat below. Every valley holds a different world, from the subtropical northern shores to the wild, windswept fjords of the deep south. Next, let's understand the connection to nature and culture. New Zealand is more than just a cinematic backdrop. It is a living, breathing sanctuary. Here, nature operates on its own terms, wrapped in a blanket of cloud and conservation. It is a place deeply anchored in kaitiakitanga, the indigenous Maori ethic of guardianship, reminding all who visit that we are not owners of the land, but its protectors. Whether you are chasing the horizon through misty mountain passes or simply watching the clouds roll across an endless sky, Aotearoa invites you to look closer. Beneath the long white cloud lies a journey that stays with you forever. Where will your adventure begin?